This is the bike closet rack. This design solves the problem of hanging bikes efficiently in a small space. Traditionally, people use bike hooks screwed into the wall, which works fine, but in my opinion is an annoying solution in practice. If they're hung too closely together, they're in the way of each other, which makes it difficult to get bikes out and put them back on. If they're hung too far apart, it is not space efficient. I wanted a rack that was easy and convenient to use while still maintaining maximum space efficiency. This design makes the space between bikes variable. It works just like a closet with hangers. You slide what you don't need out of the way to easily reach what you do need. It works using barn door technology, a 4-inch box rail with 2-inch wheeled sliders with machine-threaded bike hooks attached. This is not completely my own original design. It was inspired by Alex Boguski from Joy of Bikes, though the video of the design left out key information when listing parts, such as the fasteners and brackets required that would enable a hobbyist or amateur, such as myself, to complete this project. The original design suggested using screw-threaded bike hooks and to forcibly thread nuts on. I tried this and failed, even when using a vise and impact drill. Also, it is not clean and damages the hook and nut threads permanently, preventing future reuse. It is important you do not do it this way and use machine-threaded hooks, as they are adjustable and can be tightened to the sliders to prevent the hook from twisting when hanging or removing bikes. These hooks from Park Tool are $4 each, which is about double the price of normal hooks. The rail is 8 feet and has 8 sliders attached to Park Tool 450 hooks. It can comfortably hold 8 bikes. More could be added, but I would not recommend adding more as it becomes crowded and inconvenient to use.